छत्रपती शिक्षण मंडळ कल्याण प्राथमिक विभाग स्टँडर्ड 4 मॅथमॅटिक्स ॲडिशन. Let us learn addition in horizontal arrangement. See students, in horizontal arrangement, for doing addition, first we will look at unit place. Which numbers are in unit place? 5 and 3. So let us add 5 and 3. What will be the answer of 5 plus 3? 8. Yes, write down 8. Now we will add the numbers which are in tens place. Look at tens place. Which numbers are in tenth place? 1 and 7. So let us add 1 and 7. What will be the answer of 1 plus 7? 8. Yes, correct. Write down 8 in your answer. Now in next step we will add hundreds place. Look at hundreds place. Which numbers are in hundreds place? 4 and 4. Yes, add 4 and 4. What will be the answer of 4 plus 4? Yes, 8. Write down 8 in your answer. Now look at thousands place. In thousands place there are 3 and 2. What will be the addition of 3 and 2? 5. Yes, write down 5 in your answer. Now our answer is ready. 5888. Our second example is 1010 plus 2345. To do horizontal addition, as I said in previous example, first we have to look at unit place. Which numbers are in unit place? 0 and 5. Let us add 0 and 5. What will be the answer of 0 and 5? Yes, 5. Write down 5 in unit place in your answer. Now look at tens place. Which numbers are in tens place? 1 and 4. Let's add 1 and 4. What will be 1 plus 4? 5. Write 5 in tens place in your answer. Now look at hundreds place. What numbers are in 100 place? 0 and 3. Let's add 0 and 3. What will be the answer? 3. Write 3 in hundreds place in your answer. Now look at thousands place. Which numbers are in thousands place? 1 and 2. Let's add 1 and 2. What will be the answer of 1 plus 2? 3. Write down 3 in thousands place in your answer. Now what is our answer? Yes, answer is ready. 3355. The next example is 3610 plus 2059. Let's do addition in horizontal arrangement. Students, always remember, start doing addition from unit place in each example. Okay? Now look at unit place. Which numbers are in unit place? 0 and 9. Let's add 0 and 9. What will be 0 plus 9? Yes, 9. Write down 9 in unit place in your answer. Now look at tens place. Which numbers are in tens place? 1 and 5. What will be the answer of 1 plus 5? 6. Yes, write down 6 in tens place in your answer. Now look at hundreds place. Which numbers are in hundreds place? 6 and 0. Let's add 6 and 0. What will be the answer of 6 plus 0? 6. Yes. Write down 6 in hundreds place in your answer. Now look at thousands place. Which numbers are in thousands place? 3 and 2. Let's add 3 and 2. What will be the answer of 3 and 2? 3 plus 2? Yes, 5. Write down 5 in your answer in thousands place. Now our answer is ready. Let's read 5669. Solve these examples. 1232 plus 2341. Second, 2364 plus 3124. Third, 3321 and 2135. Thank you.